Managing product submissions and approvals between vendors, customers, and internal teams is often messy. Our client previously handled everything through Zoho, but the process had become slow, complicated, and extremely difficult to manage. They needed their own platform where they could control vendors, customers, submissions, approvals, and notifications all in one place. They also wanted the ability to gradually migrate their Zoho users into the new system with a single click. So we built a complete product approval system with three roles: admin, vendors, customers. So hi, my name is Vipin Rawat. I am currently working as a team lead for Pythons at InfiWeb Solutions. So I am going to show you this project, which is product approval system. So let's start with the admin panel. This is the client's main control center. The admin has access to dashboard, request submissions, all submissions, vendor list, customer list, and the notifications. On the dashboard, we added a powerful feature which is fetch from the Zoho. So with the one click, the platform imports all vendors and customers, deals, and product data from Zoho directly into the system's database. This allows the client to seamlessly migrate their entire user base without manual work. Now we will go to the vendors list. So the admin can now view all vendors, both those imported from the Zoho and any manual added vendors. The admin can enter the details of the vendor and can invite the vendor to the portal. And vendor can also remove other vendors while revoking access to them for the portal. Now we will move to the customers list. Here at the customer list, similar work will be done. He can view all the customers, invite new customers, add or remove customers from the deal, and can revoke the platform access at any time. Now we will see how admin can request submissions from the vendors. So this is where the admin requests the submissions from a vendor. For example, submitting the design for the product X. So as you can see there, I have requested a submission for a product from the vendor. So my request is submitted. And in the all submissions, vendor can view all the submissions done by the vendors. Here you can see that these are the submissions which vendors have submitted for the approval from the admin as well as from the customer. So here we have a page for the notifications. So here every event is tracked, whether the vendor submissions, customers approval, or any admin actions will be visible in the notification page. So admin can also filter notifications based on the deals. So from this drop down, if I select any other deal, then I can see the notification for that particular deal. Whether 33 deal doesn't have any notification, that's why I was not able to see any notification. Now we will see the vendors panel. At the vendor panel, vendors can manage their work through four pages, which is the dashboard. And inside the submission, there is create submission and all submissions, and as well as the notification page. So whenever the admin requests a submission, it appears here. So as you can see at the very first, we can see the request which was made by the admin for the submissions. So from here, by clicking on the create, vendor can directly create a submission for that particular product. So while vendor uploads a file from the for the product, he can preview the image as well as in the side file preview. And after the submission of the submissions page, you can see the status of his submission which is showing as pending because admin as well as the customer haven't approved the submission yet. So on the vendor's dashboard, submissions shows with two status: admin pending as well as the customer pending, and vendor can click on the notify button to alert the admin. This helps when vendors prepare multiple submissions and want to notify the admin all at once. So here you can see that notification is sent to the admin. Vendor also have a notification page where he can receive alerts like admin requested a submissions, admin approved or rejected a submissions, and customer takes any action. Vendor would be able to see in the notification page. So here you can see at the very first we can see the submissions made by that vendor. So now admin can approve, reject, or can approve with comment, and it can also view the file. So here you can see that admin can view the file which was uploaded by the vendor, and from here as well admin can approve the submission. And if admins rejects the submission, the vendor must resubmit as version 2. A resubmit button appears on their interface. Once after admin approval, the submission becomes visible to the customer. Admin also has a single click notify vendor and customer button to send instant updates to all the parties. From here, as you can see, that customer can also see the submissions because admin has approved that. So now customer can also approve the submissions from here. So once admin and customer both approves the submission, now vendor can see that the next column, which is the pre-production image, is unlocked for the vendor. So as you can see there, the next stage, which is the pre-production image button, is visible to the vendor. And now with the help of this, vendor can again submit, and the same process goes forward to the vendor manual assembly. And after the submission of the three of the stages, the submission completion happens. And customer also have a notification page where he can track that what was the changes done by the admin, and regarding that he can get notification for whether he can approve the submissions or not. So this platform transformed how the client manages vendors, customers, and product submissions. They now have a complete streamlined approval system with automated Zoho migration, clean role-based access, multi-stage submission workflow regarding the products, real-time notification, and a seamless collaboration between all parties. A process that once required hours of searching and manual follow-ups is now completed in minutes, all in one platform.